Hey there, stop! Imagine if in minutes from now you could get access to all the world's leading and most advanced premium AIs like Kling AI Pro, Lexica, iPro, Hugging Face Pro, 11 Labs, AI Pro, Adobe Firefly 3, Pro OpenAI O1 Pro, Claude iPro, NVIDIA, iPro Photoshop iPro in a single dashboard without paying any monthly fees. Sounds like a life-changing deal? Look, the artificial intelligence is all over the internet. It has taken the world by storm, and marketers and business owners around the globe are now totally dependent on the world's leading AIs for their marketing and business growth. Wondering why? Well, that is simply because these top-notch AI apps create images, graphics, videos, copywriting, and more, all faster and more accurately than humans could ever dream. And the best part? These top AI apps let you skip all the hassles of creating world-class AI contents by yourself while saving you time. In other words, the world's top leading AI apps is the new game changer in the online industry. But here is the problem. These world's best AI app collections is not free. It comes at a premium monthly price, which will leave you feeling like you have just been hit by a financial tsunami. Let's face it, these top-tier AI apps don't come cheap. Kling AI Pro costs $35 monthly for generating ultra-realistic 4K AI videos. Lexica AI Pro costs $29 monthly for creating high-definition AI images. Hugging Face Pro charges $69 monthly to create engaging hugging videos, images, and more. 11 Labs AI Pro costs $79 monthly for voice synthesis that sounds truly human-like. NVIDIA AI Pro costs $99 monthly. Hagen Pro is $89 monthly to create lifelike talking avatars. And Adobe Firefly 3 Pro, that's a whopping $97 monthly just to access its groundbreaking design capabilities. When you add them up, you're looking at an annual cost of over $14,000. But what if there was a better way, where you get access to all these world's leading, most advanced AI apps in a single dashboard without spending a dime? Introducing 1. AI 2.0. A game-changer AI app collection that gives you access to the world's best AIs, like Kling AI Pro, 11 Labs iPro, NVIDIA iPro, Adobe Firefly 3 Pro, and much more in a single dashboard without paying any monthly fees. But here's where it gets even better. 1i 2.0 lets you launch your own all-in-one subscription AI platform and charge clients any price you want. Finally, this groundbreaking tool is pushing the limits of human intelligence and revolutionizing marketing and business like never before. Well, this revolutionary and most advanced premium collection of AI apps allows you to Kling AI Pro, instantly generate intelligent responses and AI-driven insights. Lexica AI Pro, craft HD images and artistic visuals in seconds. Hugging Face Pro, build sophisticated hugging face images, videos, and models with ease. 11 Labs AI Pro, generate lifelike voiceovers in various tones and accents. NVIDIA AI Pro, produce visuals and data analyses using cutting-edge AI models. Hagen Pro, make talking avatars that captivate and engage your audience. Ideogram AI Pro, design stunning typography and graphics effortlessly. FluxPoint 1 Pro, generate real-time motion graphics for social media or ads. Runway ML Pro, transform text into HD images and animations. Notion AI Pro, get AI-powered notes, writing, and project management tools. Pika AI Pro, turn text to ultra-realistic AI images. Perplexity AI Pro, develop custom AI assistants for Q&A and research. Adobe Firefly 3 Pro, design 8K AI images within seconds. Claude AI Pro, generate insightful AI-driven ideas and strategies. Playground AI Pro, create interactive, user-friendly AI experiences. Synthesia AI Pro, craft personalized video content in minutes. Photoshop AI Pro, edit images with AI-powered precision. And the best part is that you can get all this done from a single dashboard with a single keyword in less than 2 minutes and without paying a single dime. Finally, This next-gen futuristic all-in-one app lets you fire all your expensive AI image and video designers, cancel all your expensive AI tools and services, and access the world's leading AIs from a single dashboard with no monthly fees. Well, now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary AI-app collection while generating non-stop commissions and sales like never before. Now with 1A 2.0, you can start your very own AI image and video creation agency and charge anything, craft and sell high-converting AI marketing materials for maximum profits. And start your very own monthly subscription-based AI app and charge people for using it. And that's not all. 1i 2.0 comes with commercial rights, giving you the license to print your very own money by selling limitless high-quality AI arts, images, and videos to your audience. Well, 1i 2.0 is the new age AI revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Access. Grab a copy of 1i 2.0 to access all the world's leading AIs in a single dashboard. Step 2. Create world-class AI content, marketing materials, or anything you desire in just 60 seconds. Step 3. Profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand marketing materials and content to your clients or on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork while filling up your pockets. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you access all the world's leading and most advanced premium AIs in a single dashboard without paying any monthly fees? There isn't. So what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to 1AI 2.0 just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then, do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision. Anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of 1A 2.0 at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.